What is business analysis initially, and why there is a need of business analyst in the organization, or in why there is a need to build a role of business analyst? So if we talk about this field of business analysis, we can say that back in 80s or 90s, early 90s, when business start moving toward IT, when they start moving toward IT and utilizing the potential of IT in their business to optimize their business needs. So they need software, but they don't need a generic software. They need software based on their requirements, based on their business. So in this say, when they approach the IT industries, the developers only understand their own language. They are not into the business of the organization. So if you told them that you need a login page, they can build a login page. But if a company is from insurance domain, so they not only need login page, they also need that someone with the age above 18 can only log in into their uh, website or into their portal to get the information. So is this type of small things, a developer is not very much into understanding what these all and the relevance of this, but in the business perspective it is very relevant for a organization so that to customize their software. So in this case, when organization started communicating with the developer, the solutions architect or tech leads, so they able to understand, but not that much what the requirement of the business and its environment. So then the IT industry, the IT companies start feeling the need for someone who understand the domain of the business. They understand the basic uh, governance rule of the business, and they also able to translate this requirements to the stakeholders. So and taking the requirements of the stakeholder and then provide it to the development team, so the development team can develop a software. I am in this course, I am only focusing mainly on the IT industry business analyst, because there is a broad area of business analysis. Not only in the IT industries, this business analysis can go into the consulting, management consulting, business consulting, and all every broad. If We can say that it's a broad application of a business analyst. So then they feel the need of a business analyst. Then what the exact what business analysts do? So business analyst mainly the main purpose of a business analyst to collaborate with the stakeholder and analyze the need, because if there is no need for a software to be developed, then there is no need of a business analyst. So here he used to understand what is the need for a business to go into the change, what is their and what is the expected solution for this need. So if we can say, if a restaurant wanted to go into the business of online booking, so what is their need, why they want to, is they want to scale up, or is someone also in the business they want to compete it, and what type of software they needing. So these all things, a business analyst collaborate with the stakeholder, understand their need, gather the information what is required, drive the change, so that the goal will get reached at both ends, on the development side and the business side. And also he felicitate in the process of the development, any roadblock is there, the prioritization of the requirements is there, and also analyzing the user acceptance criteria, because UAT mainly people thinks and get confused that UAT is the part of testing team or the client side things. But no, if a good business analyst want to deliver a good product with good confidence in the client, and for the future perspective also the upselling of the things, then he also need to understand the UAT, the user acceptance criteria, analyze that perfectly and deliver it to the client. So in shorts, if we can say about the business analyst need and the main key uh, points, so 3 points which I believe a business analyst mainly focus on is: first, the stakeholders; second, the user of the application. Because stakeholder, they invest in money, they want a software, they want an application, but who are the user of the application? It is a in-house, like is B2B of software, or it is someone like B2C software a public is going to use. So he also need to work on the UI side, UX side. So apart from the stakeholder business teams, he also need to focus on business. Apart from business, focus on customers, the users, those who are going to use the software. And third is their development team, that what requirement they need, what their main what their main roadblocks, what they need to develop a software, the requirement they want in their technical terms. So these all are the things which a business analyst in an organization expected to do. So in the next chapter we will start with software development life cycle, and then the core concept of a business analyst and business process management. So if you want to learn, you can check out to our other videos. Thank you.